Hi, my name's Allie. I'm a landscape designer and consultant with Green Biz Nursery and Landscaping, and I'm here today to talk to you about preparing for an estimate. So why choose Green Biz Nursery and Landscaping? Well, we're the oldest and largest landscaping company in Cumberland County. We're bonded and insured, and we grow most of our own plant materials right here in Fayetteville, North Carolina. We believe in landscaping done right the first time. So let's discuss how to prepare for an estimate with Green Biz. Step 1 is to gather inspiration for your landscape. This may include things such as making Pinterest boards, looking through magazines, or even looking at your neighbor's landscape down the road for inspiration. We can do anything from full redesigns, to a simple cleanup, to water features, hardscapes, sod installs, and more. It's helpful to me, as your designer, to have an idea of what you want ahead of time. So that may mean that you choose something like a Japanese style garden. If you pick something like a Japanese style garden, we may include things like camellias, Japanese maples, topiary plants, and Japanese pottery. Or you may choose something like a pollinator garden, which is more free-flowing and consists of things like native perennials. Sometimes you have a very specific idea in mind, but there's a limiting factor. Maybe you really love shade plants, but you have a full sun property, and so you might have to install a shade tree so that you can get your shade plants in your shade garden. Or maybe you have to shift priorities and make a full sun garden in that case. Maybe you have non-existent or damaged turf, and you have too much or too little water, too much or too little sun, or even an infestation of ground pearls. In this case, you see here there's some damaged turf due to ground pearls, and in this case I might recommend Bermuda sod over the centipede sod in the existing lawn. The Bermuda sod has deeper and more resistant roots to the ground pearls, which is why it would be a better choice in this case. In some cases your landscape might not be receiving enough water, in which case I would recommend installing an irrigation system. We can do full irrigation across the entire lawn with pop-up emitters. In this case we have a unique situation where the owner just wanted to water these plants in this area. So we chose a mist head that is not damaging the cedar of the house. It's important to address any environmental issues so that your landscape can last over time. Our third and final step is knowing our budget. We don't do payment plans. We accept a 50% deposit at time of booking, and then the rest is paid after the job is complete. Knowing this, we may need to choose different finishes or different size plants. You may want an 8-foot tall B&B, or you may want to allow your landscape to grow from a 3-gallon plant. You may want anglia, stone edging, or you may want no edging at all on your beds. These things are important to think about when we're talking about budget. Another option is to break it up into phases. You may choose to install your irrigation first, then your sod, and then do your plant landscaping. The choice is yours, and there are a lot of different options. Our design and consultation team will work hard with you to meet your needs. Once you sign your contract and put your deposit down, you get to sit back, relax, and let our experts do the work. We'll schedule your project in the order it was received and provide you with a tentative date. With over 100 years combined in landscaping experience, you can trust that you're in good hands. We'll always be here to answer the phone, and we'll always be here for you after your project is complete. So sit back, relax, and enjoy your beautiful new landscape, and we'll see you out there.